Hi, I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning.
Example 2. At a distance L is equal to 400 meter away from the signal light, brakes are applied locomotive moving with a velocity of u equal to 54 kilometer per hour. Determine the position of rest of the locomotive relative to the signal light after 1 minute of the application of the brakes if its acceleration a is equal to minus 0.3 meter per second square. Suppose this is the track. Here, suppose this is the light pole. Suppose here is the locomotive given its speed equal to 54 kilometer per hour and its acceleration is given as minus 0.3 meter per second square, and this locomotive is initially at a distance d, and the d is given as 300 meter. Suppose when the brakes are applied, assume that this locomotive has reached this point. Here its velocity v became 0. Then this distance from the locomotive after coming to the rest to the light pole is to be determined. X is equal to question mark. This is the answer to be determined. Now this u equal to 54 kilometer by hour. This is equal to 54 kilometer is 1000 meter and hour is 3600 seconds. So I can cancel two zeros here. 18 2 ja 36, 18 3 ja 54, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So this is 15 meter by second, right? Then time to come to rest is equal to t is equal to question mark. Using the formula v equal to u plus at, finally the locomotive has come to rest. Initially its speed was 15 and its acceleration is minus 0.3. Suppose it has come to rest in t seconds. So minus 15 is equal to minus 0.3 into t, then t equal to minus 15 by minus 0.3 is equal to 150 by 3, that is equal to 50 seconds. The locomotive has come to rest in 50 seconds. Therefore after 1 minute it will be at rest only. Distance traveled before it comes to rest. So using formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. Let us use this formula. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. 0 square minus 15 whole square is equal to 2 into minus 0.3 into s. So 0 minus 15 whole square is 225 is equal to minus 0.2 into 0.6 into s. Then s is equal to minus 225 by minus 0.6. This is equal to 225. Minus minus can be cancelled. Instead of 0.6, we can put a 0 here by 6 here. That is equal to 6 3s are 18, 45, 6 7s are 42, 30 means. So S is equal to 375 meters. Okay. Here we got this. S is equal to 375 meter. So X is equal to D minus S. Total distance D and this is S. We want this value X. So 400 minus 375, that is equal to 25 meter. So this is the answer. The locomotive will be at 25 meter from the light pole when it comes to rest. So this is the answer. Next example 3. What is the speed of the body moving with uniform acceleration at the midpoint of 2 points on a straight line where the speeds are u and v respectively? Suppose a body is moving along a straight path. When it reached point A, let its speed is equal to u. And when it reached point C, let its velocity is equal to v. And at the midpoint, that means this distance is equal to x and this distance is equal to x. At this midpoint B, let its velocity is v1. So this one is moving with an acceleration a. Okay. From A to B, for this distance, using formula v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Here v means final velocity. For A to B, here is the final velocity. So v1 square minus, for the case A to B, here is the initial velocity, u square is equal to 2a, and distance from A to B is x. This is equation 1. On the other side, from B to C, for this case from B to C, using formula v square minus u square is equal to 2as. For this case B to C, this is the final case. So final velocity is v square minus, here initial velocity is, for the case B and C, initial velocity is v1 square is equal to 2a. Here distance from B to C is equal to x. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, v1 square minus u square is equal to v square minus v1 square. Then bring this minus v1 square to this side, v1 square as it is. This minus v1 square taken to LHS side, so plus v1 square. This v square as it is. This minus u square is taken to the other side, so plus u square. This will be 2v1 square is equal to v square plus u square. v1 square is equal to v square plus u square by 2. This 2 is taken to this side. Then v1 is equal to root of v square plus u square by 2. So this is the final answer. When a body is moving along a straight line, if u is the velocity at point A, if v is the velocity at point C, at exactly midpoint, x, at exactly midpoint, this v1 will be root of u square plus v square by 2. So u square plus v square by 2 square root. Okay. A car travels from rest with a constant acceleration a for t seconds. What is the average speed of the car for its journey if the car moves along a straight road? So we want average speed for the journey. So its acceleration is a, it has traveled for a time t and started from rest. Suppose here is the body started from rest, t is equal to 0, t is equal to t, its acceleration is a, let the displacement is s, then here the velocity may be v, we want average velocity we want. Displacement s is given by ut plus half at square. Here u is 0 into t half at square. This is equal to half at square. Average velocity is equal to total displacement by time taken, that is equal to s by t, that is equal to s value is half a t square by t. One t can, so this implies v average is equal to a t by 2. This is the answer. Derive the equation for uniform accelerated motion for the displacement covered in its nth second of its motion. So we want expression for displacement and that displacement covered in the nth second. Observe the difference, not the total n seconds. We want the displacement in the nth second only. Got the point? Suppose a body has started from point A. Here its initial velocity is u, traveling along a straight path. Here t equal to 0. At t equal to 1, here it is at point B. When t equal to 2, here it is at point C, and so on. When t is equal to n minus 2, here it is at K, and when t is equal to n minus 1, here it is at L. At t is equal to n, here it is point M, and at t is equal to n plus 1, here it is at point N, and so on. It was in motion earlier, and it was in motion. Okay, right. So from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1, this is 1 second. From t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 2, this is another second. Like that, this is 1 second, this is 1 second, this is 1 second. Here the displacement between A and B, let us call this as a displacement S in the first second. T is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1 second. So displacement from A to B is S1. And this displacement between B to C is S2. That is displacement in second. From time t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 2, 1 second time is taken. This is first second, this is second. So this is S2. Okay. Then this will be Sn minus 1. You got the suffix 1 here, you got the suffix 2 here. Similarly, you got the n minus 1 suffix here, and this distance will be Sn, this suffix here, and this distance will be Sn plus 1. Now we want expression for this Sn is equal to question mark. From the beginning, the total distance covered up to this point, let me call as x. From the beginning, total distance up to this point, let me call as y. Then this distance Sn is equal to x minus y. This total distance is x, this distance is y. We want this part that is x minus y. So displacement in the nth second is the difference between displacements of the body in n plus 1 seconds and n seconds. Formula we are going to use is S is equal to ut plus half at square. Here displacement in n seconds is given by x equal to u into n plus half a into n square. This is equation number 1. Then displacement in n minus 1 seconds is given by y equal to u into n minus 1 plus half a into n minus 1 whole square. This is equal to un minus u plus half a into n square minus 2n plus 1, a plus b whole square formula. That is equal to un minus u plus half an square, half a into minus 2n. 2 gets cancelled, minus an. So 2 gets cancelled, plus into minus minus. Then half a into 1 becomes half a. This is equation number 2. Now displacement in the nth second only is given by Sn is equal to x minus y. So x is, from this formula I am writing, un plus half an square minus this value un minus u plus half an square minus an plus half a. This plus un minus un can be cancelled. Here plus half an square minus half an square, this can be cancelled. You will get minus half minus plus u, then minus half minus plus an, minus half plus minus half a. So u plus a can be taken common, a into n minus half. This is Sn. So this is the formula for displacement in nth second.